Well, this little thing right here, the Ghost Ride, has landed Hagen Deegan with a written warning, which is kind of funny. It was for, let's see here, they called it the Code of Conduct violation, and it was a written warning. It's a slap on the wrist for something so stupid. Like, I understand the fact that you can't have people sending their bikes off into, wherever they want. You can't just let it go and who cares where it ends up. But it's one of those things that where he let it off right here, you can tell it goes over like one single and then falls over. If you'd done it off the jump, launched it, or if you had done it towards the mechanics or, towards the bleachers or fans, whatever, I understand. But it's just, to me, it's so stupid. Like, and I understand there's rule books for all these kind of things and what you can and cannot do, but it's it's a whatever to me. It's a guy who's six, or was he 17, 18 years old, celebrating his first win in Supercross, something he's worked towards for what, the last 10, 12 years, probably his whole life. And in the heat of the moment, it was something cool. And for me, I like it because I like riders or racers or whatever, people with personality. I don't want the guy who wins, just goes up to the podium, says, "I'd like to thank Monster Energy and Thor and my sponsors and my coach," and stands there and like puts the monster can facing the camera, because it's just boring to me. You want these people to have a personality. You want to like them or dislike them for a reason. And I know a lot of people dislike him already just because of one, his last name, two, he's been famous for, again, 10, 12 years. As soon as he got the kid riding his dad's 450, he's been getting the either fan or hate for forever. And for him, who cares? He probably, doesn't even notice it, or it's been so long it doesn't affect him. Even if he does read it, it's a whatever at this point. But I don't mind it. It's a celebration. It's like people going over the finish line with a whoop, or with a whip, not a whoop, or a knack knack, or whatever they do. It's, to me, it's good. You want to have people with personalities. You don't want everyone to be the exact same and everyone's so cut and dry clean that it's, "Oh, well, this guy won, but he looks exactly like the other guy, and who cares?" And whatever. It obviously, with a written warning, I don't see him doing the ghost ride every single time, so this is probably going to be negligible, and who cares? Even if it is a monetary fine, it doesn't say anything about it, but even if there was one, it probably wouldn't, he wouldn't care or matter at this point. The $1,000 or $5,000 that they might fine him it's so negligible that it's whatever. But I think it's funny. It's something stupid, and who knows? It won't happen again. But comments below, you tell me. Did you like the ghost ride? Did you like it when his dad did it, a long time ago? Or do you want the people who just stand on the podium and say thank you and move off? But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.